What's going on YouTube? See the Salvador here, and in this video I'm going to show you my do-it-yourself table that I made out of scrap wood. My girlfriend and I began by gathering any leftover scrap wood we had. Once we collected all the wood, we initiated Operation Build a Table. Yeet!
Other little one on the edge.
Nice.
So all I'm doing here is gluing all the scrap wood so I can keep it in place. So after gluing all these multiple scrap woods together, I was afraid that they wouldn't stick, so I started clamping it all together.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
So we ran out of light and out of glue, so we're just gonna stick it together, put it away, buy some Gorilla Glue. Lighter than outside. Yeah, it's a G7X Mark II. Canon. Great low light camera. Steven Canon. So when we lifted it, two pieces just fell out. Just straight up just fell out. So after 24 hours of letting it dry, I'm checking how sturdy the table actually is and seeing if there's any other loose pieces, which I happen to find one. So for safety measures, I added way more glue than I actually should have. I just wanted everything to actually stay together. It was already good. I just wanted to be triple sure, and I made the mistake of actually adding more glue. The glue actually leaves residue, too much residue left over, and creates a yellow stain. So when you sand it down or if you stain your wood, it will actually show. So just keep that in mind. Big word of advice, make sure whatever platform you're building the table is that it's sturdy and completely flat and not unleveled, because if you do build your table like I was, it will kind of lift your table the wrong way. Got a nice D-walt here.
Oh, try me, bitch.
Let's take off the roughness. So we're gonna go with 60 grit. And then from there, we're gonna go down to 220 to make it smooth. So the situation here is something was wrong with the floor. So when I placed it, it wasn't straight forward, you know what I'm saying? And then right here, see how it's lifted? While I'm trying to sand it down so it doesn't have like this little crack here. Currently what I'm doing, it's not perfect, but I do like it a lot. This is taking longer than expected. So this is, I'm choosing between the color. This is for a barn door, but also I'm going to use this colors probably for a table. Second coat for the walnut. Okay, so let me tell you the situation in hand. I got two stainers. Got walnut. And the other stainer. This is clear, but I don't know if I want to put clear.
Oh, that's hot.
equipment. This is stained Kona. I like how this looks. A barn door with that color. Then we have dark walnut. It looks nice, but the Kona really looks better in my opinion. We use Gorilla wood glue. It's really good, it's really strong. The only thing is that if you use too much of it, it kind of will stain your wood to make it look yellow. Some parts look yellow. You can sand it down, but I prefer not to do that. So my dad recommended Titebond glue, and it's a quick dry. Sands easily, short clamp time, excellent strength. So this one's good. I bought the big one, it's worth it.
One eternity later.
With the wood dust there, take it out, put some glue, some Titebond, mix it up together, and you have the filler for any missing spots. Like I said, this is a scrap DIY, so it's not gonna come out perfect, but it's just a fun little project. So this is the outcome. See how there's too much, but I mean, it's to fill in the cracks. These come out better. This one's a little bit too difficult to even fix, but we're trying here. Some there, some here. Add a semi big crack, as you can see. Pro tip here: when you're staining wood, make sure you use a clean white rag or sponge with a good quality paintbrush for those hard to reach places. If you don't, that paintbrush is gonna leave bristles behind. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will answer all of them. If you guys want to watch my latest video, click the link up above. Thank you. Until next time. Laters.